Homemade green tea and aloe skin toner, to tighten pores, remove excess oil and more. No one likes those not-so-fancy looking large pores on their face. So a great number of women try to decrease the prominence of the skin pores. Even though they are vital for humans' well-being, they do not have to be very noticeable. You can learn to shrink them, making them look less noticeable by keeping them clean. Check out this natural remedy that will clean out the pores and make them look smaller. Skin care is important at any age. However, as you grow older, your skin needs a little more pampering. With all the serums, toners and other chemical-laden cosmetics out there that promise to return your youthful glow, it's hard to decide where to begin. The good news is that you are never too old to take care of your skin. Better yet, you can do so with a simple toner made with some natural ingredients. This toner is comprised of just 3 ingredients: water, green tea and aloe vera. Green tea has many health benefits internally and externally. It's used in traditional Chinese medicine to prevent and treat a number of skin diseases. Topical applications of green tea helps protect against UV exposure from the sun and removes free radicals from the skin before they have a chance to damage the DNA in your skin cells. The antioxidant-rich green tea will also tone, tighten pores, and remove toxins and impurities from the skin. The aloe helps to reduce redness and inflammation as well as moisturize the skin. If you have extra oily skin, add a 1/4 cup of witch hazel to the mix to help dry up some of the oil. This toner is simple to make and will help reduce some visible signs of aging. Supplies: 2 green tea bags, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Here's how to extract the gel from your own aloe vera plant. 1 cup of water. Steep the tea bags in 1 cup of hot water for 5 minutes, let cool, then remove tea bags. Add aloe. Add the aloe vera gel into the green tea. Mix together thoroughly until there are no visible lumps from the aloe. Pour into a glass jar or spray bottle. How to use: apply the toner to a freshly washed face and neck by spritzing directly on the skin or by dampening a cotton ball. Gently rub over the skin. Follow with a natural moisturizer or facial oil. Use daily as needed.